Hi guys, welcome to Storytime today. I'm so sad that we can't be in the library with you guys, but I'm glad that we get to be here on Facebook doing Storytime. Today we're going to read a really fun book called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. But before we do that, we will sing our Storytime song. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. We clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and say hello. We stomp and say hello. We stomp and say hello. With our friends at story time, we stomp and say hello. We wave and say hello. We wave and say hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and say hello. Hi, friends. All right. Well, like I said, today we are reading Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups, and this is by Taj Bentley. And we are reading this story with permission of HarperCollins Children's Publishing. So thank you, HarperCollins, for letting us read this book today. You guys ready? All right. Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wondered if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives him the hiccups. I can't get rid of him. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, best way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? Are you guys ready? You gonna say boo? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. Okay, you guys gonna be louder this time? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. That might have cured my... Oh, well, will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Are you guys going to really shout and go crazy? Awesome. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for the good scare, and then you go and jump out at me so my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Oh no. I think tacos give him the hiccups too. That's the end. That's Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. I love that book. It's so fun. Do you guys ever get the hiccups? I do sometimes. What do you do to get rid of the hiccups? Sometimes when I get the hiccups, I hold my breath. I count to 10. And then sometimes they go away. It doesn't work every time. But if you have something you do that gets rid of the hiccups, let us know below in the comments. I would love to hear some tips and tricks because I don't like to have the hiccups either. All right. Well, thank you so much for coming to Story Time today. And I hope to see you guys really soon in the library. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you guys really soon. All right? Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Story time is done today. We have had a lot of fun. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Bye, friends. See you next time.